Again, noun. Portable firearm. This device is a ranged weapon designed to use a shooting tube gun barrel to launch projectiles. It was used in the urban wars of the late 20th century. The projectiles are typically solid, but can also be pressurized liquid, for example in water guns/cannons, spray guns for painting or...
Look, I don't need a history lesson, come on how? Where are all the goddamn guns?
You are fined 1 credit for a violation of the verbal morality statute.
Huh, fuck you.
I am not going to say it again. You are fined 5 credits for a violation of the verbal morality statute.
God, I hate those darn fines. I cannot curse because the guy will yell at me again.
Simon Phoenix, stop it right there.
Fuckers are fast too.
Oh my god! Will you please stop cursing? You're getting a fine of 100 credits for the violation of the verbal morality statute.
Simon Phoenix, lie down, with your hands behind your back.
What's this? 6 of you, such nice tidy uniforms. Oh, I'm so scared.
Huh?
What, you guys don't have sarcasm anymore?
Do not let me repeat this again. Lie down, or else.
Or else what?
You are under arrest.
Okay.
We're police officer. We didn't train this hand of violence. How that hurts.
Stupid.
Simon says, everybody stand! Play ball!
Oh my god, we've lost contact, Chief. Where could Simon Phoenix be?